guys, my name is Boeing. I learn in Kangaroo school and I will make this video today with my younger brother Airbus.
Hello guys, my name is Airbus.
And today we will make a science experiment.
Yeah,
named lava lamp.
And now let's do it.
Okay, let's go. Woo! First, we need some color.
No! That's so bad. Okay, let's shake it.
Oh, okay. So now we need to put some color water into this. So
It's
we
cut.
need to just
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, just a minute.
Wow.
Whoa.
Yeah. Whoa! Look at this. Let's put some more.
Water. See you later. My younger brother seems to be some problem with this.
Okay. Now we will get just one.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, bro. Come on, bro.
Wow. Just wait a minute.
Wow!
Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my god!
Okay.
Oh. Turn up the light, turn up the light! Color is coming up and down. Wow, look at volcano. Oh my god! They look really good. Oh yeah.
Oh.
I hope this video is good for you guys because it's
Bad.
what bad? So I will explain a little bit about this. Don't care about my younger brother on here. So we have this water. This water is heavier than the oil, or you can say the oil is lighter. We need some vitamin C. Vitamin C to put it, and when we put this vitamin C in, it will make a bubble, and the water in here will come up with the gas, and then they go down, and then they go up or back when the vitamin disappear. Okay, so if you want, you can add some light from your mom's phone. Don't care about my younger brother. So this video is made for my competition, but I make with this video for the November 20. I thanks all the teacher that teaching me English and everything. I very thank you for that, and I hope everyone have a good health day. Bye bye.
Bye bye everyone. Thank you for listening.
Wait, I forgot this thing. Like, comment,
Subscribe.
no, we don't need subscribe. Like, comment, share to win the prize, the competition.